What is up, guys? Today, oh my gosh, we're back at it again with another crazy personal Kobe Bryant shoe pickup. Okay, so we got a Kobe 5 PROTRO. As you can see by the box, they are both my 11.5 true size I'm figuring out in these Kobe's. I do recommend going a half a size up from what you would usually buy. So just an example, if you're a 9, go to 9.5 just to be safe. They fit some people's feet really weird, and I'll kind of show you what I mean in a second, but without further ado, let's just get right to this video. So as you can see right here, the nice infamous black Kobe 5 PROTRO boxes. Let me get my phone out the way. No time for chat. We're all business right now. But that's the pair we're getting to, okay? This right here is the pair that you've already seen on a previous YouTube review. So I'm gonna put it right here, but go ahead and go watch that review for those who might not have seen it already. We'll put that one here. This is the Kobe 5 Bruce Lee PROTRO. Very nice yellow patent leather with a sleek black matte looking finish and the scars inspired by Bruce Lee's battle right here. Then this is the one. This is the one. This is the one that this review is all about. The Kobe 5 Bruce Lee PROTRO alternate colorway. So the reason it's an alternate colorway, this one first released in 2010, and this one released this year with, or alongside, the original Bruce Lee. Alternate colorway just being that it is a different colorway than the original, and it would be an alternate like jersey colorway for a team. But man, these are crazy. So similar to this pair, but very different in a way. So let me get right to what I mean by that. As you can see, if you were to look at the top, of the shoe right here, you have that patent leather on both. This one's black, obviously, this one's yellow, but you don't have as sleek of a finish along the upper and where the Bruce Lee scars are. So very different, but the same. So a quick review of this alternate colorway only overall. You're gonna have a nice black and white upper with an outlined red swoosh, really, really pretty in my opinion. Then you're gonna have a white tongue with a silver Kobe Bryant Mamba logo. And on the heel, you're gonna have the yellow Kobe signature on a white heel cup. You hear that for protection right there. And then you hear, or you can see, sorry, the yellow signature on the heel. So really, 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 really nice shoe, in my opinion. And then on the insoles, you're gonna have that 2-4, as we talked about on this one. Again, go check this release out, seriously. This one is very, very, very nice and something you'd want to see in more detail. As a fan and somebody who loves the shoes, I wanted this one more. This one came out originally in 2010, like I already said, but I wanted it since then. I remember my boy DJ, if you're watching this, if you remember, man, we were talking about for years, I would get these and the Grinches, and I did. So really happy to do that and put these in my personal collection. I will be wearing these, so I really will. I was gonna do an on foot, but I'm kind of covering the concept of an on foot. How do they fit? What do they fit like? So with that being said, I have already worn this pair. So on foot, I do know what I'm talking about, and I have almost every Kobe 5 PROTRO minus the undefeateds in the championship pack. But I would say go up half a size. Definitely go up half a size. It's worth it to be safe in the long run, especially if you're growing out there and still hooping. But man, so let me know down below also, which one do you like better? Let me know because I'm curious. But I personally, if I'm trying to step out and make some noise, wear something crazy, I'm gonna step out in these. If I'm going to the gym, not to work out in or play in necessarily, but if I'm going, watch an AAU game, basketball game, whatever, I'll probably pull these out just to be chill, subtle, but let people know you got the Kobe's on. So for that fact, I'd probably pick these yellow ones, as I mentioned. I'm more of a fan of those, but I wanted the set for myself, man. I'm a huge Kobe fan. You know, as far as the shoes, I'm not going to sit here in front that I was his biggest #1 fan while he was present. RIP his soul. Shout out to Gigi as well, rest in peace. But yeah, so for that reason, now I'm going to talk about the unfortunate resale of these Kobe Bryant shoes. I have bought some pairs, I'm not going to lie, and I'm holding them. I think it's too soon for Nike to even be releasing some of these shoes. So if they can release them, unfortunately, it doesn't even sound right saying it, but you could resell them. You know what I mean? So I feel like they're profiting off of this anyway, off of bringing these back so early. The Grinches do not need to be out this early, just my opinion, but it gives people the chance to get them that do not have them. So for those true Kobe fans, I pray that they end up in your hands. Let me know down below also if you have any Kobe 5 PROTRO, the new releases that you grabbed yourself, your size. I'm curious, man. I'd like to hear what y'all say in the comments. So do me that favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, the like button, and comment down below to answer my questions. Appreciate you. But yeah, hopefully y'all like the detailed review. These are really, really nice. They do, make sure if you're buying these on the aftermarket, you're not spending over about $300, I'd say. For this one, I'd probably stay around $280 to $300. Prices did dip a good bit since release. These were sitting at about $350, and these were sitting at about like $330. Since then, I think prices have depleted to about $285 to $300, depending on your size range. I wear a weird and odd size in Kobe's, 11.5, so that half size difference is about $20 difference. So unfortunately for me, that's just how it works. I was happy enough to find these. This pair I hit on sneakers at for retail. So if you hit on retail, I recommend hold your pairs, hold them all. If you are just gonna sell or wear for personal, I mean, I definitely recommend doing that as well. As you can see, I did that for this pair. I mean, I paid resale for this pair. I needed them in my collection, you know? But I really do love the lasering, how it sticks out on the toe cap. As we talked about on that shoe, it does have the KB24 on the toe cap, but here on the lasering on the toe, next to the scars, the battle scars, you got that nice lasering. So really pretty shoe, man. I really like how the patent leather sets off. If it was, I really wish they would have made the white a different, I don't know, something different. This white, this matte white is just not doing it for me on this shoe. But nonetheless, I am going to be wearing them and I'm a fan of them. I do like the shoe. I wouldn't have paid resale for them if I didn't. But yeah, appreciate your support so much recently on YouTube. The channel has been growing like crazy. Please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me so much. More than you know, and probably more than you care. But it allows me to bring you more reviews like this. Pairs like this that, you know, you guys might want to know how they fit, what they look like in hand, the detail on them, my opinion, anything like that. Put it down below in the comments. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know. Appreciate you, and y'all know what to do. Be easy.